Hey, welcome to What's the 811? I'm Jeff Johnson. I'm here at Rochester Municipal Park, and I'm going to try and see if I can get some people to tell me what they know about Miss Dig 811. All right, I am here at Rochester Municipal Park, and I'm here with Adam. How you doing, Adam?
I'm great.
Awesome. So I'm going to ask you something about Miss Dig 811. Do you think that using Miss Dig 811 helps keep people safe?
Oh, absolutely. People need to be aware of kind of the electrical lines, plumbing lines, anything that's around the area where they want to dig to make sure that people are being safe. So,
that is an awesome answer. Thank you so much, Adam. Appreciate it.
of course.
Thank you for watching Miss Dig's What's the 811. Remember, always be smart, be safe, and call Miss Dig 811 before you dig.